everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, this is an updated version to how to turn on comments on your YouTube channel if your comments are turned off on iPhone or iPad in 2021. So obviously the first thing that you'd want to do, you would use the YouTube Studio application. I'm showing you how to do this in the YouTube Studio application. I got a lot of comments and I'll bring them up on the screen to show you guys that people were really having problems with this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. So what you want to do, I'm going to show you guys an example. I hope that this is the exact thing that you are seeing on your channel. So I'm going to go to YouTube Studio and I'm going to show you guys an example. And if this is the same thing that you're seeing, this tutorial is definitely for you. So I'm going to go to videos. I'm going to switch accounts real quick to show you guys this example. Okay, so I'm going to go to videos and I'm going to go to this. Open up YouTube Studio and I'm going to refresh my page. So I'm going to pause the video. So if you're seeing this, if you're seeing comments are turned off, and when you minimize the player, it says mini player is off for videos made for kids. Tap to view it. So if it's showing you this, try YouTube Kids, an app made just for kids. And if it says comments are turned off, this is exactly what you want to do. So when you are uploading your videos, you have to ensure that we're going to go back into YouTube Studio for this, and what you want to ensure that you put on your video, you want to go and tap on the pencil icon and make sure you ensure that this is not selected. Yes, it's made for kids. Don't select that. You want to tap on it and then you want to tap on no, it's not made for kids. As you can see it here where YouTube says this: regardless of your location, you are legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, and or other laws. You're required to tell us whether your videos are made for kids or not. So please select no, it's not made for kids. Now if you're having the problem where YouTube turn off your comments because of your age, I think I will be creating a part 3 to this as well, because I don't want you guys to follow the same exact path. I want you guys to have your comments on so that you can engage with your viewers. So if this is the exact same problem that you're having, select no, it's not made for kids on every video that you've uploaded. Select no, it's not made for kids. Now the reason being for you selecting this is because YouTube does not want they don't want age restricted stuff or mature content to appear on children's recommended page, which is why they specifically made an app for kids called YouTube Kids. So please, if you want your comments to be turned on, please select is not made for kids. And if it is made for kids, please do select is made for kids, because you do not want to risk your channel being taken down. Please select no, it's not made for kids. Okay, and then what you basically want to do, you want to make sure that you save your changes. Save your changes. I'm going to repeat this again. Save your changes. Okay, tap on save, and I showed you guys that the comments were turned off, so we're going to go back into the YouTube application, and I'm going to, as you can see, it still says YouTube comments are turned off. So now that we've saved our settings, right, I'm going to go and tap on X and I'm going to refresh the page, and I'm going to go back to the exact video here. Now as you can see, the comments are turned on. So thank you guys so much for all of your good sweet comments. I really do appreciate it. And if this tutorial helped you, please be sure to hit that thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this tutorial, and tell me if it helped you, because I would really do appreciate your feedback. And also share this tutorial with anyone that may be having this exact problem, because this is the video for them. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.